Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, my name is Rafli Fajri from 11 OTP 1. Today I will tell you about how to make noodle fried rice. So enjoy the video. The ingredient: cooking oil, the SEDAP cup, salads, onion and spring onions, a bowl of rice, an egg, and hot water. The tools: small plastic bags, pestle, kettles, plates and spoons, bowls, scissors, and lastly, Teflon spatulas and stove. The steps: first, open the cup with scissors. Then, remove the noodles and seasonings from the cup. Then, put the noodles into a small plastic bag. After that, crush it into small pieces using a pestle. And put it back in the cup. Pour hot water into the cup until the crushed noodles are slightly submerged like this. Then put the seasoning into the cup and close the cup. Pour enough cooking oil into the Teflon, then turn on the stove over medium heat. Wait until it feels hot. When it is hot, add the salads, onion and spring onions at the same time. Mix well using a spatula. After the onions are half cooked, add the egg. Mix well. Then add a bowl of rice. Stir again until well blend. Stir the noodles that have been given hot water and seasonings using a tablespoon. Then add and mix the noodles into the rice. Stir again until well blend. If it is well mixed and cooked, put the rice into the cup. and turn the cup over onto the plate. And lift the cup. The SEDAP cup fried rice is ready to be served. So, this is the end of my video. I hope you enjoy and like it. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.